Buying silver through Goldco is straightforward, but the account and fees are where people slip. A big-name dealer like Goldco doesn't pick the right setup for you. You do, based on how you'll hold silver. You can buy in a personal account or inside an IRA, and the trade-offs are real. Premiums aren't one fixed number because coins, bars, and availability change the markup. Setup is usually quick once funds and IDs are in, but the costs aren't just storage. If you plan your sell back up front, exiting can be simple. The biggest mistake is mixing up personal ownership with IRA ownership because the title on the metal controls the rules. In an IRA, silver must be held by an approved custodian and stored at an approved depository, so you can't just take it home. The indirect rollover can also bite you, miss the 60-day deadline, and it can become taxable, plus a 10% penalty if you're under 59.5. Contribution limits still apply, and IRA fees stack annually. Selling and access are different too. With IRA silver, product choice isn't about what looks cool, it's about what the IRS allows and what will resell cleanly. You want to confirm the fineness requirement and stick to IRA-eligible bullion, not collectibles or novelty pieces that can be disallowed. Then compare premiums before you buy, because two items with the same silver content can have very different markups. Also estimate the resale spread, the gap between buy and sell, up front. Finally, confirm liquidity by asking how the buyback process works in writing. To understand your real cost, start with spot price as the baseline, then add the layers that apply to your exact product and account type. Coins usually cost more than bars because minting and demand push premiums higher, while larger bars are often cheaper per ounce. Fractional sizes tend to carry the highest premium, so smaller can mean more expensive. If you buy through an IRA, add annual custodian and storage fees on top of the premium, and many accounts also have a one-time setup fee, often around $50 to $300. Before you authorize any silver purchase, treat the trade confirmation like a closing document and match every detail: product, quantity, price, and account type. Ask about the settlement window, meaning how long you have to send funds and lock the trade. For IRA silver, the purchase must run through an approved custodian, and home storage isn't allowed if you want to keep the IRA tax status. Choose segregated versus commingled storage based on cost and comfort. Then nail down your exit plan by confirming buyback terms and timelines. If your silver is inside an IRA, you can't store it at home. An approved custodian and depository are required. The smart investor matches you to providers based on your investment size and goals, then shows the real dollar cost difference over time. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link's in the description.